everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a second urban flight range test on the Holy Stone HS720E. I'm getting everything set up here and I am going to see how far we can push this out in a suburban environment. So let's get right into it. This is Trail to Trigger. Subscribe if you're new here and let's dive right in. Alright, so I've done all the calibrations. Setting the drone down now. Alright, we're in the air. I'm going to let the drone sit for a bit, just make sure it's not drifting. Let's do a little bit of testing here. I am doing this at sunset. And drone looks pretty good right now. So let's take it up. Alright, so we've got a bird of prey right there. Let's just take this thing out and fly it a little bit. So the drone is right there. Let's ascend to about 150 feet. And I'm not going to take it out too far. Just a little bit. Hang on, there's a bird right there. Just make sure it doesn't go for my drone. Alright. So, 135 feet up. Let's just take it out. So, I'm going to be watching that Wi-Fi signal bar. Alright, so we're about 413 feet out there. Drone looks fine. Let's push it out a little more. Probably going to go to about 500 feet. Yep, that's 500. Get the controller a little higher. Raise the drone up a bit. Wow, beautiful outside today. Very beautiful. Let's see if we could go a little farther. Just creeping it nice and slow. Alright, that's 600 feet. Feet is kind of dropping out. So let's fly it back. TX, no signal. Let's just get that drone a little higher. Looks like it's facing away from me. So let's face it back towards me. Lower that thing a little bit. Oh God, I'm kind of worried right now. Never done this before with this drone. Let's just get it down nice and safe. Nice and slow we go. Alright, stay steady, dude, please. Alright, just let's land it, and that will be a range test complete. So, an overall summary of that thing went much farther than I expected. Pretty proud of it. Went about 600 feet. Almost lost visual of it. But yeah, that was a pretty sick range test. This is Trail to Trigger, and I'm out.